Sunday and welcome to my video, everyone. I'm Angie B and you're watching a 313 Hobby Me video. On this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new computer keyboard. So if that's something you think you might want to watch, please stick with me. I have been looking for a clicky keyboard since the day I was shopping my husband at one of the tech stores in my area, and they had a keyboard out, and where you can demo it. And I'm walking by casually and I go to demo it, and I'm like, whoa, wait, hang on. It was the touch was very nice, the feel, everything was very nice, and I thought, man, I gotta look into this because my keyboard doesn't feel anything like this. So I went home and I started looking at some videos and different things, and realized just how out of date mine is. So let's go down. These keys have no they're quiet, and these are not. So okay, here's what the old keyboard sound like. Okay, this is going to wrap it up for me on the unboxing of my new TechWare Phantom 87 keyboard. And as you can see, I selected the Outemu blue switch with my keyboard, and I just recently placed my order and received it. So everything is in, and I want to thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video, and hopefully you will subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thumbs up the video. Let me know what keyboard you're currently using and what your plan is for upgrade. This has been a significant upgrade for me because I have been way behind and late to the party on keyboards. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye for now.